What's up, guys? San Joaquin Valley Transparency. We're in Riverside and we're at the law offices of the public defender, and we're gonna do a First Amendment audit. Let's go check it out. Says that was employee entrance only. What's that? Since when? Why is that? From who?
Why are you recording?
Well, who would I get permission from?
From our building.
The building?
Yes,
What's his name?
this building.
Dude, I missed the sign where it says you can't.
Is there a reason why you guys are recording?
Just
Well, isn't this not a public lobby?
Yes, it is, but you can't record here without permission.
Says who?
All right.
Now, I don't mean to be rude though, but in
I'll
reality,
have somebody come and talk to you, okay?
What does that mean?
do I have to talk to them? Ma'am? So I think this is the one that spoke up first.
Is there a sign?
Yeah, is there a law that says that we can't record? Mírala. First,
Either one of you? No?
she was all sure at first, pero mira,
They're calling each other?
mira.
They're calling each other.
recording.
Well, didn't you talk to me? I'm over here trying to find out what this.
I'm not giving you consent to record, so please don't record me.
Don't you work for the public, señorita? Look at guys. I don't know why they act like that. Like I just come in here and they're trying to act like my boss. So this is the public defender's office here, and we was told by these ladies here that we cannot record. From my understanding, we are allowed to record. Hello. You work here? I don't know, it's like they tell us that we can't record, and then they were kind of rude at first. Did you call? I was gonna take off. Did you want me to wait for them? Excuse me? If I'm free to go, I'm free to stay, right? Got her. Let's go check out this building over here. The building looks crazy, huh? She was mean. Now you can go.
It's Monday, man.
All right, let's go check out the probation department. Yeah. The juvenile's at the other place. How you doing today? This is only the adult probation office, right? And the juveniles is where at?
The juvenile, we do have one on Iowa, over by Palmerita in Iowa. It's partial adult and juvenile.
I think that's all.
Oh,
We
yeah, okay.
also have one over off of Harrison and County Farm Road.
Okay, and
Do you need the addresses?
yeah, can you write those down for me?
Got two pretty ladies.
These up there. Not like the ones next door. I mean, doing very nice.
They didn't turn the TV on for you, man?
What?
They didn't turn the TV on for you?
Oh, I don't know. It's good.
There's the two offices right there.
Oh, perfect. Thank you so much. Have a great day.
Thank you.
Look at bro, we can hit all these fucking places.
Sí, aquí también hay mi licencia. Aquí está mi licencia, ¿eh? Sí. Sí, está bien. Hold on a second first.
Hello. Yeah, what services do you guys provide here for the county?
Are you recording?
Yeah, yeah.
What's that?
Yes.
Why?
Because I'm doing a project for this news thing.
Okay,
that I'm
but do
doing.
you have permission?
Yeah, yeah,
From who?
from the man upstairs. Jesus. They don't even answer basic questions. Hello. Yeah, I just wanted to ask a basic question. What services do you guys provide for the county here?
Oh,
Just one answer would be suffice. I'd get out of your hair. She got startled because she's seen a camera. I don't think she realizes she works for the public.
people show up and start recording. That's the only thing.
And it's
And, you know,
we're trying to fix that. Let's go see what he's up to. How you doing today?
I'm good.
Not too bad. You didn't happen to get a call because of dangerous guys with cameras, did you?
No.
Are you sure?
No, because I'm coming because they're supposed to give me a ride back.
Oh, really?
That's why.
All right. I ask every officer that I encounter one question. Obviously, you don't have to answer. But do you happen to know the First Amendment of the Constitution? Is that a yes or a no? No, don't ignore me.
I'm sorry.
Don't you? Oh, I'm sorry. This is gonna go viral. At least try.
Oh my God.
At least try.
Don't embarrass me.
I'll help you. I'll help you. Let me tell it to you so you'll never forget it, okay? Let's do that. And this is what I do because I think it's important. I go out and try to teach every officer the First Amendment of the Constitution.
Actually, I'm not an officer and I'm an investigating tech.
Oh, okay. Same thing. You're in law enforcement. So what we do is we ask everyone that I encounter the First Amendment. Nobody seems to know it. I'm going to give it to you really quick. I won't take up too much of your time. It's simple. Freedom of speech, right? Freedom of religion, freedom of press, freedom to assemble with friends and family and talk about what's wrong with government, and freedom to petition your government to tell them what you're doing is wrong. Stop it. So nobody seems to know the First Amendment. Not one officer that I encounter seems to know it. Not one student, not one kid. I'm 44 years old. It took me a long time to learn it. And we wonder why we have problems out there, a disconnect between the people and the police. I think it's a simple fix. I think we all need to learn it and understand it. A lot of times, we go into court, we speak out of turn, and the judge says, you're in contempt of court, right? But a lot of times, police officers violate people's rights or arrest them and say, you'll have your day in court. Let the courts deal with it. That, in my opinion, is the true meaning of contempt of court. And how we don't seem to know this and see it, it's a huge problem. Nobody knows the First Amendment. Promise me you'll never forget it. You
I
promise?
don't work the courts.
But it's important. You got to learn it too, and make sure you teach your friends and family as well. I'll give you my card,
Okay.
so you can say hi to yourself on my channel, and so that and so that you learn the First Amendment and try to see the educational value.
Okay.
Try to find the educational value in what I do and why I do it. This is my son, and this guy's rights were violated. And now look, now we got another activist or journalist or cop watcher or First Amendment auditor, whatever you want to call him, because his rights were violated. You see, and so we came out here to help this guy's channel grow. And my name is David, Can I get your name?
Wiley.
Wiley? Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you guys.
Thank you for talking to me. All right. Have a blessed day.
You too.
Yeah.